Replace a toner cartridge for the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126 Plus printer series. If the toner cartridge levels are running low in your printer and no longer yield good print quality, replace the cartridge with a new one. It is recommended that you only replace your toner cartridge with a genuine HP cartridge. HP cannot guarantee the quality or safety of non-HP parts. Lift the scanner assembly. Open the toner door. Grasp the top of the old cartridge and pull up to remove it. Remove the new cartridge from the packaging. To prevent damage to the cartridge, hold the cartridge at each end. Do not touch the protective cover or roller surface. To recycle the used cartridge, go to hp.com/recycle to learn how. Gently shake the cartridge about 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner evenly. Flip open the tab on the end of the cartridge and pull it to remove the protective film from the cartridge. Remove the orange guard on top of the cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the printer. Close the toner door. Lower the scanner assembly.